Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate in Autodesk 3ds Max. So first up, let's go ahead and go through the essential navigation controls. So we have here the orbit or rotate view. Okay, so you can go ahead and hold Alt key on your keyboard, hold it, and then as you can see here, or as you may have noticed, we have this arrow besides our mouse or mouse pointer. Okay, so all you got to do is just press the middle mouse button or the scroll wheel button and just drag and rotate. Okay, as you can see here, up and down, left and right. So that's one. And we have here the pan view. So all you got to do is just hold the mouse or middle mouse button and just drag. Okay, so as you may have noticed, without using the Alt key on our keyboard, it will just pan. Now, if we hold the Alt key, it will orbit. All right. So a zoom, it's very simple. Just use your mouse wheel or scroll wheel. That is important that you have a scroll wheel on your mouse. Okay. It is advised to use a 3D mouse or just a standard mouse with at least a scroll wheel. Now, going back, we have the slow zoom. If you want to use the slow zoom, you can just hold Control plus Alt and then the middle mouse button. Okay, just like so. Just drag it up and down. All right, let's say you wanted to scroll from here. Let's say you wanted to slow zoom in here. So hold it, zoom. There you go, middle mouse. And lastly here for our essential navigation controls, we have zoom to selection or extents. Okay, let's say we have here a simple box. There you go. Now, press the object, select it, press Z. Okay, now you're in front of the selected object. Now, what you'll do basically in here, again, you can use Alt and then middle mouse button. There you go. You can zoom out, zoom in. For a slow and controlled zooming, you can hold Alt, as you can see here. If you want an aggressive zooming, do not hold Alt. Okay. Now let's go ahead and move forward to viewport management. So to switch a viewport, you can just go ahead and press Alt plus W on your keyboard, just like so. Alt plus W, or you can go ahead and click on a viewport right here, and then go ahead and click on this icon at the bottom right that says maximize viewport toggle, just like so. Press it again and it will show you all available viewports. Now, going back, you can press T, okay, T as in tar to go to the top, B to bottom, L for left, there you go, F for front, P for perspective, there you go, and U for user or orthographic. Okay, and there you have it. That's how simple it is to navigate here in Autodesk 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.